welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, and in case that you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. So for today's video, I am very excited because I got my Boxycharm in the mail, and I literally just got it and opened it so that it would be less hard for me to open later. But that's literally all I've done. I do know one of the products that are going to be in here because Boxycharm sent me an email, like sneak peek type of thing. But I'm also one of those girls that kind of goes to try to figure out all the sneak peeks. So yeah, I know why the box is this different, like rectangular shape, because I know something has to fit in here. Anyways, I'm rambling, and yeah, that's not the point of this. Let's get started with the video. Oh, I'm also barefaced because I do want to try these things on for you. And the very first thing is, I think a face mask is in here. Well, maybe not the first thing, but that's the first thing I'm gonna do. So yeah, let's open this baby up. Well, as soon as I open it up, I noticed that there is like a Ulta Skin Bar coupon thing in here. To get an Elemis, I never say that right. Elemis Flash Facial. This is pretty dope. So I'm probably gonna do this because there's an Ulta not too far from here, so I'm probably gonna do this. And then the next thing, this is what's in there all the time. This is the paper letting you know what the theme is, and on the back it tells you everything that's included in your box and the price. I'm gonna check that out simply because, or I'll check it out as I go and kind of read off of it for you. So this is Boxycharm Au Naturel, and I got variation number 4. So if you're wondering how to figure out which variation you got, on the corner usually it'll tell you. So this is variation 4. Anyways, so yeah, the first thing that I see is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It says Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask for advanced skincare. So let's see what it says here. This retails for $35. It says get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Why not? Let's go ahead and try this on. It's a really good size for a, the top is here. This is a really good size for a mask. So there's that. I'm trying to see. It smells like a spa. Like, that's all I can think of. Alright, so it has been 10 minutes and I'm wiping it off now with a moist washcloth, and I'm just getting all of it off of me. I don't know that I'm supposed to feel something right away. I will say it smells nice. It smells like a spa day for sure, but other than that, I feel like my skin feels pretty much the same, at least for now. Everything's off my skin now. I mean, it just feels moisturized, but then again, I just put a wet washcloth to it, so I don't know if it's the mask or not. I will keep you guys updated on that, to be honest, because I just don't know. So far, we're $35 in for a $21 box, so we're already winning. Also, I will say, even though I don't know right now whether the mask is good, I feel like, in my experience, this brand does have really great does have really great skincare products, so there's that. I'll probably just show you guys this because I'm not going to be trying this out. This is the Cogendo Cleansing Spa Water wipes. So they're makeup remover wipes. They do cleanse even waterproof makeup, or at least it's what they claim to do. We can probably try these out in a different video. If you guys want to see a review, let me know, and I'll put it in the comments. Wow. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll put it on my to-do list to make a video with these for you guys with some waterproof makeup. These bad boys, it brings 10, and it says it retails for $17. So $17 for a 10 pack is a little on the pricier end, but if they're as good as they claim to be, I wouldn't be mad about that. So 35 plus 17 so far. Let me, you know, do it while I'm waiting. 35 plus 17. So we're at $52 right now. So the next thing is the Luxy Jaya, I think, because it has a little like pronunciation thing underneath. The Luxy Jaya collection, or Gia, I don't know. It says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. So these are Luxy brushes. I love Luxy brushes. They're really, really great quality brushes. And I love that this little thing is this little like the packaging is on cardboard this time. They have great packaging to begin with, but these, oh my god, even the brushes, I really like these. So I had seen these in pictures, but it's hard to tell. I like that the fact that the handles look like just distressed wood. You see it? Like, they just look like pink wood, like a natural, more natural finish. Anyways, you got 3 brushes in here. You get a large eye blending brush, which is this one. Oh, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna use this in a second. Then you get a precision crease brush, which is this little bad boy right here to go right in there. And then you get a foundation brush, which is this one here. I used a foundation brush earlier to apply my the mask, and this brush feels really nice, but I probably won't be using it for foundation, to be honest with you, just because I usually don't apply my foundation with these kinds of brushes. But maybe I'll try for something else, like maybe conceal. I'll try it for concealer and see how it works for me. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys posted on that one. So this little 3-piece set is valued at $30. $30, not bad for good quality brushes, because as you and I both know, brushes can get very pricey. These are a 3-piece set for 30 bucks. So far we're at $82 for a $21 box. I just gotta keep reminding you guys, because I feel like Boxy is such a great value. Like, why aren't you on it yet? So then, this is something that I was probably the most excited about, to be completely honest with you. It is the Butter London palette. Look how beautiful this is. What is the name of this palette? It's the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. But look how beautiful those colors are. So pretty. To be honest with you, I thought this blue was gonna be like a lot more vibrant. At least that's what I've been seeing on people's stuff, like Instagram and stuff like that. So I really thought that the color, that the blue was gonna be more of like a pop of blue. This is more like a toned down blue. I'm not mad at it, I just wasn't expecting it. So if you want to see swatches for this, I will absolutely have them on my Instagram. So if you're not following me, go follow me. It's the same as my channel, Paola Deschamps XO. Let's make a look with this. This is Enchantress. Oh, it's pretty. You guys see it there? Ooh. Okay. Okay, the next one is Queen. I am not mad at these shades. Next one is Star, which is like the green color. Ooh. Alright, then Diva, because of course. Whew. I'm not mad at this palette, like, at all. The next one is Temptress, which is that chocolate, like deep chocolate brown. Ooh. Femme Fatale, that blue color. Okay, not bad. Out of all of them, I feel like Femme Fatale is the patchiest out of them. Like, I don't feel like it's as smooth as the rest of them. But let's get this eye look popping. So I went ahead and created this eye look with this, and I did apply the rest of my makeup except for my lips because the next thing is a lip product. But I have to say that I really love the way that these shadows apply, and I did try out all of the Luxie brushes, including the foundation brush, which is now dirty because of my foundation. But I must say, one, I'm not a big fan of these kind of brushes for my foundation, but I was impressed because it didn't leave me all streaky, which is what I'm afraid of with those kind of brushes. And it was very soft and very, like, I don't know, it felt like a really great, amazing brush. So I'm happy I tried that. This retails for $32. So let's go ahead and add it to our already going tally. We're already at $114. Again, guys, 21 bucks. Like, you cannot beat that. All right, now the next thing is Luna by Luna Lip Gloss in Venus. So this retails for, where is it? Oh, there it is. This retails for $18, and this is what it looks like. It looks a little bit metallic, almost like a brown with gold shimmers. I don't know if the camera's picking it up good. This is what it looks like. It's not as like highly pigmented as I thought it would be, but let's see what it looks like on the lips. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with just like a brown liner. I was gonna pop something underneath it, but I kind of just want to see what it looks like standalone. So let's see. It looks muy bonito. I don't know why I said it with an American accent, but all right. And this, like I said, does retail for $18. So I like it because it's not like sticky or crazy, and the glitter isn't like chunky glitter at all. It's a very like, I don't know, and it doesn't look like, I'm not the biggest, I used to be super into lip gloss. Maybe I'll come around again, but I'm not like the biggest lip gloss person ever. And this feels very like wearable, natural. I'm not mad at it at all. Okay, so let's add this to the total. So it brings our total for $132 for this month's Boxycharm. Again, Boxycharm is only $21 that you're paying for it. So if you're thinking about it, I don't know why you haven't gotten it yet, to be honest with you. Especially if you are wanting to experiment with, makeup, this is the box for you. If you're a makeup collector, this is the box for you. Like, I feel like this fills so many needs. Like, why not go get it? You know what I mean? Like, just go grab it. Anyways, if you guys want to see any more like swatches, anything like that, I'll have them posted over on my Instagram. Again, it's Paola Deschamps XO. It'll also be in the description box. If you guys want to see me create different looks, I'm going to try to create different looks over on my Instagram stories as well. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps me out a lot. And if you want to see anything specific, or if you just want to talk to me, go ahead and hit up those comments. I'm always there responding to you guys. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye guys. I just dropped my box. Of course I did.